Ready for shorthand dictation. 5 seconds. Start. Sir, it is unfortunate that at a time when so many pressing problems of education are yet to be solved, there should be a dispute prevailing all over the country on what has been termed the language issue stop. Much heat has been raised on this question and emotions have been let loose so that a calm consideration of the factors involved has not been possible stop. While appreciating the fact that a foreign language is clearly not the most proper media of spreading knowledge among the masses, it is to be realized that the question of language must be looked at from the view of the stage of education. It is generally accepted the mother tongue is evidently the best medium to communicate language oblique knowledge at the primary stage and to a large extent at the secondary stage stop. When it comes to higher education, however, the question of the means by which the available knowledge in many particular field of study can be easily absorbed at least as important as the question of the medium of instruction stop. If one were to look to the history of education throughout the ages, it will be clear that at each successive period, one language more than another claimed an important place in this sphere of higher education for the obvious reasons that any particular language was the most suitable one at that period for higher education stop. Thus, in the middle age of oblique and for a number of centuries thereafter, the classic Latin and Greek in Europe, Hindi in India were practically the only media available for those who wished to pursue higher studies top. Later on, French and to a certain extent German in the 19th century claimed a place for higher studies in the cultural field and in scientific and technical studies stop. Today it is agreed that English is recognized as an international language and perhaps the most easily available one for the bulk of the students in the world to get into touch with the knowledge available in the higher regions of education stop. One has only to attend any of the foreign gatherings to realize that the majority of the delegates from all parts of the world are more familiar with and speak the English language at such meetings than any other language top. The question, therefore, for consideration is what at present is the best method of making available to the large number of those who seek higher education the means of achieving their objective in our country's top. Unfortunately, there are critics whose attitudes does not give any reasonable hope that this problem will be looked at from the practical point of view. Stop. Para. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the Board of Directors, I welcome you to this sixth annual general body meeting of your company. Stop. The directors report and the audited statement of accounts for the year ended 30th April have been in your hands for the period under review, and with your kind permission I shall take them as read. Stop. Para. The results for the year after providing for all expenses and charges including interest and profit adjustment relating to previous years show a loss of rupees 6 lakhs as against the loss of more than 10 lakhs during the previous year's top. Para. In view of the adverse results, no provision for taxation arises, and I regret it has not been possible for your directors to consider payment of any dividend stop. These substantial reduction in the loss might well lead you to believe that the forced circumstances in the company's manufacture and training conditions to which I referred in detail in my speech at the previous annual general body meeting are abating stop. It is true that the company has been successful in stopping the steep and sudden decrease in its fortunes by a series of measures directed at keeping the cost of operations at level dictated by the limited market for your company's product shop. A perusal of the accounts will show that economies have been made under several heads and efforts in this direction will continue to be made stop. The roadblock in the path of the company's recovery is in two directions: one the price of essential raw materials and the other the low demand stop. The prices of important raw materials showed a downward trend in the first half of the financial year, but the relief was very short lived and the second half of the year saw significant increases in prices of these items stop. The wholesale price index, it may be remembered, started rising steadily after September of last year's top para. Every effort is being made to promote sales by introduction of new varieties, improvement of quality and packing, and better and more intensive coverage of all sales centers. But the impact of these steps is not appreciable stop. The prices of our products are so high as to keep them out of the reach of a large section of our population stop. The main reasons for the high prices of our products is due to the adding of excise duty on all the raw materials and 10% sales tax on the finished product stop. Thank you.